If your Canon PIXMA from the G2000 series printer is showing an ink error or not printing properly, don't worry. This is a common issue many users face. In this video, I'll guide you through two simple methods to fix the problem step by step, whether it's a clogged printhead or a minor software issue. These solutions will help resolve this error. You can also call us directly at the numbers displayed on the screen for seamless assistance. Otherwise, let's get started and fix it together. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Basic cleaning using the control panel. Turn on your printer. Then, press and hold the black or color start button for 3 seconds to start the printhead cleaning. If the ink error still persists, you can try the second method. Method 2. Deep cleaning using a computer. Click on the Start button, search for Notepad and open it. Press Ctrl+P to open the print window. Select your Canon PIXMA G2000 Series printer and click on the Preferences. Go to the Maintenance tab. Click on the Deep Cleaning from the available options. A window will pop up. Select the ink group based on your ink problem. For example, select All colors if no color is printing, or black if the black ink has a problem. After selecting the appropriate option, click on the Execute button to start cleaning. Then, a warning window will pop up. Read it carefully and press OK button. Now, your printer will start cleaning your printhead. The power light will blink during the process. Once it becomes steady, the cleaning is complete. Go back to your computer screen and you'll see the nozzle check dialog box. Simply click on the print check pattern. If the dialog box is not there, you can directly select from the printer's property window. Note: make sure papers are inserted into the paper tray. Now, your printer will print a page with a pattern of all colors. Carefully check which pattern it resembles the most. If it matches the correct pattern, your printhead nozzles are not clogged and it's good to go. You can simply click on the Exit button to close the window. If it matches the incorrect pattern, click the Cleaning option to continue cleaning your printhead. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.